development.
Clinical officers in Kisumu County have announced that they will not return to work until their demands are met by the county government leadership. Addressing journalists after commencing their industrial action, a section of the union's leadership accused the Kisumu County government of turning a blind eye to their grievances, citing the county government's failure to implement the collective bargaining agreement as well as the enhancement of their benefits. The clinical officers insisted that they will not return to work until their demands are fully addressed.
The employer seemed not interested in sitting down and talking to the leadership of the union. And so we are doing our third day on strike. And we are urging the members of the public to know that the clinicians are not in the hospitals anymore. They are tired because the employer who is supposed to be taking care of their welfare has decided to go on leave. The employer has decided to abandon the very people that are supposed to be running the health sector in Kisumu County.
The key issues that we have as clinical officers is one, the signing of our CBA. The national office bargained for a CBA that was signed centrally in Nairobi, after which the counties were supposed to sign the CBA 2 weeks later. Kisumu County, one of the counties that has declined signing the CBA. We've decided that we are going to down our tools until such a time that the county government of Kisumu is going to heed to our calls and is going to heed to all that we need.